Video on Excel, a basic introduction. Excel consists of a lot of little boxes called cells. It has rows, which go from side to side, and columns, which go up and down, and where they intersect is called a cell. Each one of these cells has a name. It's named by the letter at the top, so this cell would be called B, and the number at the side, so it is B7. This cell would be called G4. So once again, to name a cell, which is the intersection of rows, which go side to side, and columns, which go up and down, is the letter that's on top of the columns and the number that's on the side of the row. Wherever they intersect, that is the name of the cell. So where I've stopped here, this cell name is E14. And this is a basic introduction to naming cells on a spreadsheet.